Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Dave. I'm a licensed podiatrist. I'd like to thank you for watching my video on my Frugal Foot YouTube channel. There are certain things that podiatrists do in the office on a daily basis that are oftentimes taken for granted. One of those is cutting toenails. I would imagine that most 30-year-olds, when they're working, aren't thinking about the possibility of having their toenails cut when they're 75 or 80, especially if they have underlying conditions such as diabetes or neuropathy. But it does happen. Well, another thing that's often taken for granted are orthopedic shoes. And I just want to briefly go over a orthopedic shoe that might be something beneficial to either yourself or someone in your family. So we know about digital deformities, bunions and hammertoes. And these can be dangerous because when the hammertoes or the bones from a bunion push out against the shoe, it can cause an abrasion on the skin where the skin eventually starts to wear out and you develop an ulcer and you can get an infection. This can be catastrophic for an elderly person or somebody with some underlying condition like diabetes. And when you're younger, usually you buy a larger shoe, you buy a deeper shoe, you get a shoe stretcher, you get a pad, or you have surgery. When you get a little bit older, maybe you're not a good candidate for surgery and you don't want the skin to ulcerate. Maybe the pad isn't working very well because there's a comprehension level or you can't reach down to put the pad on. That's where an orthopedic shoe like this one comes in handy. This is an entirely stretchable upper. So simple Velcro closure, foot goes in and it can press up like that. It's kind of hard to see on the black one. I have a beige one as well. It's an enormous shoe, but you can see real easy on the beige one how this just stretches. So like a bunion would stretch out like that. A hammer toe can stretch up like this. Easy to put on with the simple Velcro closure. There are some different fillers so you can fine tune the fit. They're very affordable. They may be available actually on Amazon. I'll have to take a look. If I leave a link below, well then you're in luck. Otherwise, you can look these up online. You can also discuss this with your podiatrist because oftentimes if you have certain underlying conditions such as diabetes along with some associated factors, therapeutic shoes that are like this may be covered by the insurance either in full or partially. So you could talk to your doctor about that. But I just wanted to show this to you. Perhaps you have a mom or dad that you're overseeing their health care, or a grandma or grandpa, and you think that this might work out very well for them. Now you know about it. So there you go. If you did learn something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm Dr. Dave. I'll see you on my next video.